Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to tell you about something new which comes to WhatsApp. Have you heard about the buzz around Meta AI on WhatsApp? It's this super cool feature that basically puts a mini AI assistant right in your chats. No more switching between apps to find answers. Meta AI can be your personal info guru, answering your questions on anything from weather forecasts to historical facts. Plus, it gets even more interesting. You can use Meta AI to generate images. Just describe what you want, like a cat wearing a hat, and Meta AI will whip up a creative picture for you. It's like having a pocket-sized artist at your fingertips. Whether you're in a group chat brainstorming ideas or having a one-on-one conversation and need some quick info, Meta AI on WhatsApp is here to level up your chatting experience. You can also add Meta AI to your WhatsApp groups and communities to help you in different things. This AI is so powerful and can make videos and pictures for you on a single command. The world is dealing in AI now, a daze, and Meta AI is also one of it. It will give you everything which a powerful AI can do. So this is the video about Meta AI. You can simply update the WhatsApp and enjoy it. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.